Hey there, loves. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you can tell, you probably can, but I completely lost my voice. Yay! But here we have this Christmas DIY because it's never too early to have a Christmas DIY, in my opinion. So we are making this adorable cake using this container only and a few optional ribbons and other items you'll see in a minute. So I do have this plaid ribbon, which I have cut to size, and I'm going to glue that to cover the bottom of the container. And I have also decorated the top. This project was so easy, and everything literally that you see in front of you is from Dollar Tree, including the little glitter ball foam as well. And this is how it looks as a final product. It will definitely grab people's attention, and the best part is you can fill it with cookies or other goodies and send it as a gift. But I want to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. Till next time, love you all. Bye.